What's up, guys? This is Mr. Zuckerbrow, and in this short video, I'm just going to be showing you one way to scan and upload documents so that they look really nice. Last year, we were getting a lot of pictures from cell phones that did not look great, and it was hard to see, and they were blurry. So this is just one app that makes it really easy to scan your documents. So the app I'm going to be talking about today is called Adobe Scan. So I'm going to hold up my cell phone, and you can see it is this blue one, and I can't see where there. This blue one right here, it's called Adobe Scan. So the first thing you need to do is download that app. It's on iPhone or Android, so you're good. When you download it, you need to make an account. Make sure you sign in with Google and use your is34.org account. It's going to ask for your birthday. I think you have to be at least 13 to use the app, so you're in 8th grade, so you're all good. So you can put in your actual birthday, and then once you get the app and everything's good and you're in, it'll look like this. So it's looking for a document right now. So I have a document here, and I wrote on it, so if this is something I need to submit for classwork in Google Classroom, the first thing I need to do is scan it. So I'm going to use my phone and tap my screen, and it's going to take a picture. So now you can see that it took a picture. It has this border around it. So if I don't want to include the whole page, I can drag this up and only do part of the page, whatever part you want, and then hit continue. So once you do that, down here, that page is there. If you need to take another picture, maybe if there is a second page, you just take another picture. But if you're ready, you click this button in the bottom corner, and it brings you to the next screen. And it shows you what your document is going to look like. So because I'm trying to hold up my phone to the webcam, you can't see it. The document actually looks really good on my phone right now. At the top of the screen, I can rename it. So I'm just going to call this, let's say this was assignment 1, and I'm going to put my last name. So I called it assignment 1 Zuckerbrow, and I click OK, and at the top I click save. Now once it is saved, you have to give it a second to save to your cloud, which is free, so don't worry about that. And then you hit the share button. This is how you're going to share it with us. You hit share, and then on the bottom, hit share a copy. Oh, hold on, I lost it. You hit share a copy, and then a bunch of options come up. The best option is going to be save to your Google Drive. If that is not an option on your phone, if you're not seeing save to drive, like I have there, you need to download Google Drive on your phone. If you have an Android, it's probably already there. If you don't, if you have an iPhone, download Google Drive. Since we're using Google Classroom for every class, everything is going to be in Google Drive, so download it. So I click Google Drive, it saves. You can rename it here, but I already did. I hit the check mark in the bottom corner, and I hit save, and that's it. I'm done. So now, if I pull down from the top, I see that it is uploading. So you can see there's like a status bar, and I just have to wait until that finishes. Once that's done, then on my computer or on my phone or on my tablet, this document is now in my Google Drive, and I can just share it with my teachers. It's going to be a lot easier on Google Classroom to share that document. The benefits of this is it's going to look way better than just taking a picture with your camera on your phone. That doesn't look great, but if you scan it with your phone, it looks way better. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. If you know of better apps that are easier than this one, please let us know. We're always looking for things that can help all the other students. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped.